minute. I'm Kaylee here at RoboFlow, here today with Joseph, the CEO of RoboFlow. So today I'd like to talk about Amazon Rekognition. What is Amazon Rekognition?
Amazon Rekognition is Amazon's off-the-shelf computer vision API for understanding the contents of images. So it's basically a model that has some standard off-the-shelf common objects that you might expect to find in given images, like maybe chairs or lamps or pieces of furniture and things like this. And you can use that API in your app to send up an image and get back a detection or classification for some of these generic known items.
And what if I want to detect or classify something that's not in that API?
Then you would need to build a custom model for those specific objects of interest. That's the tools that we work on at RoboFlow. So you could easily bring your own data set, do a little bit of labeling, train up and have an API stood up that you can use directly in your app for classification and object detection with the confidence level of those objects of interest. You can even continuously improve your model over time. We'll be sure to link in the description about how to get started with RoboFlow and a bit more about resources so you can get up and running for free with the ability to have a custom API endpoint for the objects you're aiming to detect.
Awesome. That's another ML in a minute. If you enjoyed this video and you want more like it, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be sure to keep you in the loop. Thank you.